Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Qidi Tech 3D printer camera not working after firmware update step by step. Fix 1. Perform a cold power cycle. Shut down the printer using the touch screen and turn off the main power switch on the back of the printer. Now unplug the power cable from the wall outlet and wait for 30 to 60 seconds to allow the motherboard to fully discharge. Now plug the power cable back in and turn the printer on. Once the printer has finished booting, check whether the camera feed is working again. Fix 2. Access the camera through a web browser. On the printer, open network settings and note the printer's IP address. Now on a computer connected to the same network, open a web browser and enter the printer's IP address followed by :10088. For example, http ://192.168.1.205 :10088. If the camera stream loads successfully, the issue is likely with the slicer or software interface rather than the camera itself. Fix 3. Reconnect the printer in Qidi Studio or Orca Slicer. Open Qidi Studio or Orca Slicer and go to the device page. Now remove or disconnect the existing printer from the device list and select Add Device. Enter the printer's IP address and reconnect to the printer. Now refresh the device page and check whether the live camera feed appears. Recent Qidi Studio releases also include improvements to the fluid web interface and options to clear the web view cache if needed. Fix 4. Reinstall the official firmware. Download the latest firmware for your exact printer model from the official Qidi website or Qidi wiki. Extract the downloaded package, then copy the Qidi underscore update folder to the root directory of a FAT32 formatted USB drive. Now insert the USB drive into the printer and open settings and select offline update. Wait for the update to finish without turning off the printer and restart the printer and then test the camera again. Fix 5. Check the camera cable connection. Turn off the printer and unplug it from power. Now remove the rear panel to access the controller board. Locate the internal USB or camera cable connected to the motherboard and disconnect the cable and firmly reconnect it, ensuring it is fully seated. Now inspect the cable and connector for any signs of damage. Reassemble the printer, power it on, and test the camera again. TD's camera installation guide also recommends verifying the cable routing and connection if the camera is not detected. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.